Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to do 3D zoom effect in Capcut. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step is to open Capcut on your phone or tablet. Now click on the plus icon to create a new project. Then import the photo or photos that you want to edit. As you can see, this is how the photos look like without the effect applied. Select the first photo, then click on Style. Find the Motion tab and then click on the 3D Zoom Pro effect right here. Wait a couple of seconds until Capcut applies our effect. This is how the effect looks like. Pretty cool, right? Repeat the step for the remaining photos. After you do it, then click here to export your video to the photo gallery. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.